Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my video. Like I'm just so freaking excited because my one and only partner who I created this channel together. She's none other than Puru, and she's gonna join us today, including my cousin. So we are like three cousins. We're gonna go together the whole day, like that's gonna finish today. Yep. Well, she flew all the way from Delhi to Mumbai to meet me and to make this video. We are excited. I hope you like this video today. We're waiting for a cab, and yeah, we'll go somewhere like hang out today. Alright. Hi. Hi. Check. She's like she's shy with her. Like, I just my food, but I'm gonna eat your head for lunch. What did I cook for you? Wrong. Hey, no, shit! If you want to see it, I can upload the picture later. Oh no, we're not gonna like put up this on the video. Can we do that? No, I don't think. We can. Oh my god, you are selling like things now, right? Alright, alright. Anyway, yeah, we're like Naga people, like Manipur, Tangkhul, so definitely, yeah, of course, we eat that also. We need to try. No authentic food. Yeah, exactly. So everything starting with small things. So we talk about like how we started this YouTube channel. And, yeah, we're like we need to support each other, right? Like small things. Like there's so many YouTubers, like the very famous people. They also start on right with small things just like us. So yeah, we can also we're trying. Okay, we're waiting for a cab. Okay, we load up the place and we follow cab. That's the one. That's the one. Oh, the police is going back. Hi, what's up here? Chỗ bữa đó. Anh lại chỗ nó đụng. Anh chỉ biết tình người anh không xem có việc gì vậy. Okay, I will take the bread again. Burger. I am 0209. Galing lâu rồi chị. Không khăn à? Không anh à?
Alright, guys. Okay, we reached the place, the restaurant called Laila, and yeah, this place is pretty amazing. I mean, looks so nice, like so fancy, and yeah, we are trying to sit here. This looks good, but my cousins they don't like to sit here, so we look for another table, and here we go. We like intentionally mute this like the original voice because of the background, and it was too noisy, and yeah, there's so many songs playing in the background music, so we are afraid of this copyright and stuff, so yeah, that's why. All right, and yeah, we are like planning to, drink a bottle of wine today. It's a Merlot. Sounds good. Yeah, that's so like we are going to like experience something new here, like the etiquette. So you're gonna see a video which is like a wine pouring, and that's all the like etiquette. Yeah, how to pour and how you gonna like drink the wine like as a host when they serve you, right? It's all included. It's just for that purpose only that I showed all these videos. Yeah. So they pour us like a little ml to taste it, and yeah, so I did it, and like since I like the wine, I told them to pour it like each wine, so that's what he did it. Yeah, as you can see, and he's a kind of like he's very professional. I mean, really professional. It was nice experience for us as well, like not to put in that awkward situation, like this thing, like whenever you go to any like a restaurant, maybe a fancier, like because we can experience it, once in a time, right? So yeah, it's good that we all know all this kind of etiquette, not to put in that kind of awkward situation in the restaurant, like I hope you get me what I'm saying. food arrived and we started having with the wines and with the like food. So this we start with salsa, the Mexican salsa. It tastes amazing. There are a lot of like lots and lots of condiments. Like we try everything. It's like 10 condiments with that salsa along with it. It was so good. And we ate like tacos and like chicken, I don't know, with chicken, both veg and non-veg as well. It was so good, like so good food. And also ambience and everything was amazing. It's such a nice, like experience, I should say. Like it's not like we're going to the fancy restaurant like every time. No, we, because there are like people who might be thinking in a way that like, oh, these people just all need to go to the restaurant and blah blah. No, it's not like that. But we went there and then experienced something new, like at least, just to experience, so yeah, it was nice.
Stop, stop.
Okay, so we are, I mean, just came out from the restaurant. It was really amazing, very cozy. Like, we had a great time. We had a lot of fun. Now we're heading back home. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching our video until the end. Yeah. You have a wonderful time. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye bye.